Model, 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 1.6 cdti starts runs needs turbo repair no VAT bargain. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 139649. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Straightforward turbo replacement job grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, electric windows, rhino roof rack. Euro status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Contact us, 0156